Good day, everyone. We are the Group 13. Our topic is about technological processes, and the first presenter is yours truly, and then the second one is Ruvelin Lena, and the third one is Jeremy Tapao. So at the end of the lesson, you were able to analyze the impact on a content patterns structure using social information processing model insights. The second one is improved communication effectiveness and organization with media theories and media richness model applications. And the third is optimize outcomes by assessing media effectiveness through models and predictions for organizational communication. What is technological processes? Technological processes refers using technology to improve how information is shared and communicated within a company or organization. In today's workplace, technology is changing how people talk and share information by using things like email, chat apps, messenger, video calls, and teamwork software. Companies are helping employees work together easily. They're also using systems that organize information well and tools that do repetitive tasks automatically. And the goal is to make talking and sharing information faster, easier, and effective and more helpful so everyone can do their better jobs. Companies also use smart systems to keep all the information organized and tools that can do things like filling out forms or sending reminders automatically. The goal is to talking and sharing information faster, easier, and more helpful and effective so everyone can do their jobs better and get things done smoothly. Now we have the types of organizational communication technology. The number one is electronic mail, has clearly changed both personal and organizational life. In the past 20 years, email has become a big part of our life and how we talk to each other both at home and at work. It's like a digital letter that can go to one person or a whole group or even people far away from us. With email, we can send quick notes, sharing ideas, or work together on documents no matter where we are. It's like having a handy tool that makes communication easy and fast for everyone in an organization. So, the second one is the World Wide Web is another aspect of internet technology that has radically changed the way organizations operate. The internet, particularly the World Wide Web, has revolutionized how companies work. It's like a game changer for employees, offering them endless possibilities and opportunities. They can use it to gather important technical or political or policy details, monitor competitors and partners, stay updated with real-time news, or conveniently shop for anything they require online. In today's digital era, we have two main ways to communicate or send messages. We have the email or electronic mail and voicemail. Communicating has never been easy, right? Thanks to email and voicemail, it can help us today. So let's break it down. With email, you write a message on your computer or gadget and send it to someone else. It's like sending a digital letter. You can get a response, save the message for later, or delete it. It's like leaving a message on a phone answering machine, but with a twist. You speak your message into the phone and it gets saved. Later, someone can listen to it, and what's neat is you can even change the message or send it to someone else if needed. Another example are fax and audio-video conferencing. With fax, you can send document images to another place using a telephone and special technology. It's like sending a copy of a paper through the phone. Then there's an audio-video conferencing. This lets people from different places join in a meeting together just like a Google Meet. You can talk, see each other, and even share pictures or graphics during the meeting. It's like being in the same room but without leaving your own. Now we have the computer conferencing brings people together to discuss topics in real time or later, offering a flexibility in participation. You can even conduct polls to gather opinions and keep a record of discussion for future reference. Then there's the management information system, acting as the nerve center of the organization. It's like a digital library that collects and integrates data from various departments. This centralized hub enables decision makers to access crucial information swiftly and then aiding them in making well-informed decisions that drive the company forward. So, Group Decision Support System or GDSS, and the Internet with the World Wide Web, which is the www. First, GDSS is like a techie savvy assistant designed to help individuals and teams access and process data effectively. And it's like having a digital toolbox to boost decision making processes. Then there is the Internet and the World Wide Web, a vast network that links computers worldwide. The WW in particular opens doors to a wealth of information, graphics, and interactive features like chat, social networking. It's like having the world at your fingertips, connecting people, ideas across the globe. Technology in the field of medicine. In the medical field, we usually think about breakthroughs in surgeries and medicine, but communication technology is also a game changer for quality care. We often focus on medical advancements, just like what we said earlier, surgeries and medications, but communication technology also plays a vital role in delivering quality healthcare. Stern explores the EICU, a system adapted by several U.S. hospitals. Here in the Philippines, critical care professionals can remotely monitor patients using multiple monitors and webcams. It's like bringing the expertise of doctors and nurses to the patient's bedsides, even from afar, ensuring timely and effective care. Theories of communication media usage. When new communication tools emerge in organization, it's not always an instant hit. Marcus 1990 suggests that widespread adoption relies on critical means of users embracing the technology, especially for connected tools. But what determines how much these tools are used for work tasks? So, theories, the media richness model focus on technology and task features, and the social information processing model examining interaction processes and personal influence. Media richness model. The media richness model was proposed by Duff and Lengel, 1984 and 1986, as a framework for understanding the choices of organizational members make about communication media use. And the media richness theorists then combine the notion of task ambiguity with the notion of media richness and argue that managers will choose media that match the ambiguity of the messages or the message. So Duff and Lengel, 1984 and 1986, introduced the media richness model to explain how organizational members select communication methods. These models suggest that managers consider the complexity of tasks and the richness of communication tools when making decisions. In simpler terms, they choose tools that match the clarity or ambiguity of the message they need to convey.
So now let us tackle about the effective media predictions. The first one, we have the organizational powers of digital media. This principle explores how digital media revolutionizes organizational communication, enabling instant sharing of information, enhancing collaboration, and boosting productivity. Just like a company introduces a digital platform for project management, facilitating real-time collaboration and enhancing team efficiency. The second one is the effect of organizational communication media on organizational culture. The choice of communication tools influences organizational culture by shaping transparency, trust, and employee engagement through effective messaging and interaction channels. So, just like, for example, implementing an open door communication policy using digital tools fosters a culture of transparency and inclusivity within the organization. The third one is the culture, technology, and process in media theories. Examining the interplay of culture, technology, and media processes reveals how advancements impact on communication strategies, organizational norms, and media consumption patterns. Okay, so just like research investigates how the integration of virtual reality technology impacts storytelling in media and cultural narratives. The fourth one is the different media for organizational communication. Analyzing various communication channels within organizations reveals how tailored messaging through email, video conferencing, and social media enhances internal and external communication. For example, a marketing team utilizes a mix of social media, email campaigns, and webinars to engage customers and drive brand awareness effectively. And the last one is communication network as predictors of media choices. Studying how social networks influences individuals' media preferences sheds light on the factors guiding media selections and consumption behaviors. Okay, for example, an analysis reveals that employees with strong social ties tend to prefer video conferencing for team meetings, influencing organizational media choices. The social information processing model. The objective characteristics of the task and media. Task complexity and media attributes play an important role in determining the most suitable communication for approach achieving desired outcomes. Example, a project team evaluates the task requirements and media capabilities to select the most appropriate communication platform for seamless collaboration. The second one is past experience and knowledge. Leveraging past experiences and knowledge enhances information processing and decision making, shaping effective communication strategies. Okay, for example, a seasoned sales executive draws on past successful sales strategies to tailor communication approaches for engaging with new clients effectively. The third one is the individual differences. Recognizing individual traits and preferences in information processing guides tailored communication methods to ensure effective message delivery and reception. For example, considering team members' communication styles and preferences, a manager customizes feedback delivery methods to resonate with each individual's unique traits. The fourth one is the social information. Understanding the impact of social interactions on information processing helps in creating engaging and meaningful communication experiences. For example, observing how team dynamics influence information sharing. A leader fosters a culture of open communication and collaboration to enhance productivity and innovation. There are also additional models of media usage. So the first one is uses and gratifications. Individuals seek specific media content to fulfill personal needs and desires, shaping their media consumption patterns and preferences. For example, a student uses social media to stay connected with peers seek entertainment, and access educational resources based on personal interest and needs. The second one is the cultivation theory. Prolonged exposure to certain media content can influence individuals' perceptions, beliefs, and attitudes towards societal issues. For instance, a long-term exposure to crime-related media content influences viewers' perceptions of safety and crime rates in society, impacting their beliefs and behaviors. The third one is the reception theory. Audience interpretation of media messages varies based on personal experiences, cultural background, and individual perspectives, impacting media reception and understanding. Just like viewers of a political debate interpret and analyze candidates' arguments differently based on their prior political knowledge and biases, shaping their views on the candidate's credibility and policies. The fourth one is the media dependency. Reliance on media sources for information and communication needs highlights the role of media in shaping individuals' daily routines and decision-making processes. For example, during a crisis, individuals rely heavily on news media for updates and guidance, showcasing the essential role of media in providing timely information and support to the public.
The social information processing model of media use suggests that media choices are influenced by social context, norms, peer behaviors, and organizational culture. It suggests that individuals choose tools based on their sustainability for specific tasks, incorporating cognitive processing and feedback mechanisms. Organizational communication technology improves efficiency and productivity by facilitating quick information exchange and collaboration. However, constant email overload can cause stress and reduce productivity. Digital communication may decrease personal interactions, impacting employee morale, and additionally, blurring work and personal life boundaries can lead to burnout and mental health issues. Effects on communication content. Digital platforms can alter communication content by encouraging brevity and clarity, leading to more formal exchanges and richer, more engaging content through multimedia tools. However, the impersonal nature of digital communication can strip away emotional nuances, potentially leading to misunderstandings, and ease of disseminating information can result in oversharing of irrelevant content, reducing the overall quality of communication. Effects on communication patterns. Digital communication has revisionalized communication patterns to enable frequent different exchanges among employees, promoting collaboration through tools like video, conference, and chat applications. However, this can lead to asynchronous communication, potentially causing misalignment and slowing down decision making. Digital platforms can also reduce face-to-face interaction, impacting personal relationships and trust within the teams. The effects of organizational structure. Organizational structure has changes that impacts a company operations and performance. They can affect decision-making process, departmental interactions, which employee morale, and external perceptions. Flattening can promote faster decision-making and empower employees, while maintaining a traditional structure may lead to shallow responses to change, which cross-functional teams can enhance coordination and innovation. Clear rules and opportunities for investment can boost motivation and job satisfaction, while ambiguity or frequent restructuring can lead to confusion and disengagement.
Now let us also tackle about approaches to communication technology processes. The first one is the classical. A traditional organization maintains a formal communication structure emphasizing hierarchy and efficiency in transmitting information and directives. The second one is the human relations. A team leader prioritizes building a strong interpersonal relationships to boost team morale, motivation, and collaboration in achieving common goals. The third one is the human resources. An organization invests in employee development programs, recognizing staff as valuable assets and focusing on their growth, well-being, and active involvement in organizational processes. The next one is these systems. Viewing communication as a complex interconnected system, organizations analyze how different communication channels or departments interact to ensure seamless information flow and decision making. The next one is the cultural. Considering cultural nuances in communication dynamics, organizations adapt their messaging and strategies to align with diverse cultural backgrounds and preferences, fostering inclusive and effective communication practices. The next one is the critical. Analyzing power dynamics and social structures in communication processes, organizations address inequalities, promote transparency, and empower marginalized voices to ensure fair and inclusive communication practices. So that's all for our topic. I hope that you've learned a lot and thank you for listening.